We're on our first walk, Suldana,
Yeah, that's
here
the stop. Yep.
in the streets of Prague, no? Czech Republic. Dito, from our hotel, we have our guide. We have our personal guide, Hana. Ito yung public transport nila. So, practically, after a week of guided tour in the Balkans, we're here on do-it-yourself tour. Sometimes enjoy mo rin yung do-it-yourself kasi you take it yung leisurely, like ganito, observing people, yung public transportation nila, finding it out, how to ride a taxi. So we took a 3-day pass, no? Ano, no?
Yep.
3-day pass. Ito kami galing, no, sa hotel that we booked. So what is this place ba? Ganda pala mga ganito naman. Chill lang tayo ba? Huh? The dogs.
The dogs are... Is this our stop? Yep.
You know, very nice. May
Picture tayo.
picture. Ito muna.
Di pa ito tourist site ba?
Sige. We don't know if it... Yan. Ikot. Okay. But it appears this is touristy because you have a lot of tourists here. You can eat also. May kumakain siya ng street food, oh. Ano kayo kinakain niya? No? Are we riding here?
Yan, we can ride that train na.
Okay, we're riding. May pila pala sa dito. Okay. We're riding here. Oh, ito. Next.
10 minutes pa.
Next one o ito na?
Next one is 10 minutes after pa.
Ito na tayo. Okay.